winner of the class is a 18 months old Labrador male of very high quality with the correct proportions of body, very good outline, correct head with broad skull, dark eyes. English pointer male, very good outline of the dog, good proportion, good strength, dark eyes, prominent occiput bone, good forecheck. Second one is an 18 months old English pointer female of very high quality. She looks absolutely stunning in the stack with the correct outline, good proportions, beautiful. It's a good quality dog, carrying excessive weight. Like I said before, this has to be an athletic sort of a look on the dog, so he's carrying excessive weight. On the other hand, this is a beautiful Labrador male. I really like this one, the outline and the development, the quality of bone, the head, sideway movement. The only problem is that hello Labrador bitch. She's got lovely proportions, correct proportions, short coupled, good quality bones, very well developed for her age. She's carrying excessive weight though. One short hair pointer male, 5 years old, correct size, very well developed male. Winner of the class, 14 months old golden retriever female of very high quality. She's still at the developing stage. She's got a very pleasing head. The top has to be more pronounced. Correct shape of eyes, dark colors, correct set of ears, good proportion of head, good neck. Thank you very much for the winner today. Second one, I have already given my critique. It's a strong, substantial male of large size with a strong head. Made my comments on the dog, so I will just keep it short. Worthy winner of the class. It was a tough competition. I also like the second dog. He's a high quality German short hair pointer, and also the third one. It was a good class and a tough competition, but for me the Labrador stands out of all of them. Trying to train such young dogs to come in the ring. कोई आखिरी फैसला नहीं है. कि मैं अपने नॉलेज के मुताबिक, अपनी प्रेफरेंस के मुताबिक मैंने ये डॉग सेलेक्ट किए जो दोनों मेरे ख्याल में बहुत आउटस्टैंडिंग स्पेसिमेन ऑफ द ब्रीड हैं. वन इज़ अ यंग मेल 18 months old, the other one is 2.5 years of
ब्यूटीफुल शो. बड़े अच्छे डॉग्स और बड़ी हाई क्वालिटी के डॉग्स इसमें आए हैं और जजिंग वाज वेरी गुड और कमेंट्स बिल्कुल ठीक थे. तो आप लोगों का जैसे कि नासिर साहब ने बोला है कि ये ट्रेनिंग है कुत्तों की, हैंडलर की, तो इनके जो कमेंट्स थे स्पेशली अबाउट मूवमेंट, उसमें ख्याल रखें और उनसे इसको इम्प्रूव करने की कोशिश करें. क्योंकि मैंने देखा कि देयर वर सम वेरी गुड डॉग्स, मगर वो इतने अच्छे हैंडल नहीं हुए जितने वो डॉग्स अच्छे थे. बाय एंड बाय अ वेरी गुड शो, सो congratulations. Thank you.
I'd like to present the trophy to the winner. Colonel K.M. Roy will hand over the trophy to the winner today. This is for the best in show. Thumbs up, please. To the young man. Many congratulations. This is the trophy for the runners-up. This is a trophy for the best puppy. So thank you very much everyone, all the participants, audience. We had a great show today. It was successful because of your participation and your attendance.